Hello guys, in this video we are gonna talking about a special Windows folder trick. In this trick we will hide a folder or make it invisible. So what that mean by invisible? It would in front of you but you can see him, but you can click on him and you can do whatever you want to do. But hide mean it will hide itself and you cannot see it and can't click it. So let's get started. So first of all, I will show you how to hide your folder. Here I have make a folder, so I will right click on it and go to properties, and here I will click on hidden and apply it, and you will see it has gone. Now we can see it and we can click it. So when I click on untick and apply here, and it will reappear. So what if you will click on it and apply or OK, and it will gone. And now how could I unhide it? So let's go to search menu here and I will type here folder option, folder, folder, and you will see here written file explorer option, and I will enter it. And now you have to go in view section and then you will see show all hidden files and folders, and when I click on it and apply it, you would see that our hidden folder is now appearing. And now I will click on it and go to properties and unhide it and apply here and OK, and then I will here OK. Now I will show you second trick. In this trick we will make it invisible. So first of all, let's remove its icon here. We will right click on folder and go to properties, and then at the end you will see it's written customize, and here click here change icon, and when you scroll a little bit to the right side you will see an invisible tab of icons. So I will click any of them and click on apply, and you will see it has gone. Now in my window there is a little dot on every folder, but you would not see it. And how I will remove this file name? So I will click on the folder, I will select the folder and tab F2, or whatever I do, I will click on the folder, and here I will press and hold Alt key, and then I will type 255 and hit enter. So you will see that our folder is hide now and we have make it invisible. Now if we click on it and it will working properly, it is an empty folder, but whenever we refresh it, it will start to reappear. See, if you don't subscribe my channel, make sure you have subscribed it, and if you like this video then give a thumbs up. See you in the next one.
Wake up, early mornings, late nights, hopping on a different flight. What's the meaning of life, ayy? Wake up, same-ish, different day. Make a wish, call it pray. Am I sick, am I okay, ayy? Stay up, late nights, still in